For example, I want to sell the mango.
Log in the mobile server. Click Goods. Create new product. Upload the pictures. Fill the name, selling price, specification, weight, and then submit. Go to mobile server. Click Product Setup. Change the product to mango. Here it shows the price is 3 per 500 gram. Submit. And now we need to select Sell by Weight. One thing we need to pay attention is that here in the server, the weight unit is 500 gram. But in the machine, the weight unit will be 1000 gram. So in the machine, the price is 6 per kg.
Show you the shopping flow. The end customer will tap their credit card. And then they are able to open the door. When they take the mango from the fridge, the top will be shown on the screen. The mango selling price is 6 per kg, and the mango is 0.3 kg, and this is the price for one mango. Close the door and the money will be deducted from the card.